And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And of course, 30 Minutes Fantasy is now still continuing their line of the Samurai Troopers or the Roy Shinden Samurai Troopers. We now have the latest entry, which is Kaito of the Sky. And as you can see in the box art, this is Kaito, and he is somewhat of the samurai that focuses on long range or on the bow. Of course, off to the side here is Kaito, the armor, different facial expressions, and of course different manipulators or hands. What you can do with him, some poses. Here it is armored up, and off to the side. Here it is front and back, and of course information about the Samurai Troopers, which I think will be coming into their second season soon. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we have. So here it is, the face with the multiple facial expressions. One bag with the armor, some clear parts. Another bag, I think part of Kaito and part of the Under Armor, and a sticker sheet. Here it is, more parts of the armor and a sticker sheet. No, this is a water decal. Okay. And more parts for the armor, Under Armor. I think this has some parts of the armor and the body here. Lastly, yep, still more parts of the armor and of course the bow. And now we have the instruction manual, which is the same as when they release Kai of the Fire. And of course, this is Kaito of the Sky, so here it is, and here it is in the back. Right, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first off, again, is we have the different facial features for Kaito here. Alright. Then we have the A1 sprue, which is all blue, part of his armor, and I think part of the armor as well. We have the A2 here. We have the B1, which is all white. And then we have the B2 here, still all white. We have the C1, which is all black, and we see some hands there, which also has a C2. Then we have a clear part for the D2 here, a gold part for the E1, and some more gold parts for the F1 here. Parts of the weapon is there. You also have the F2 here, which is all black. Then we have the G1, which is the actual samurai armor. Continuing with that, we have it in the G2 here. We also have the H1 here, which is all white. Continuing, we have the H2, which is gold, and I1 for his hair, and the I2, which I think is still part of the bow, and we can't forget the single sleeper that it has, and of course, I'm not sure if this was with Guy, but there is a, what I call that, a water transfer sheet for the eyes and mouth. And there you have the 30 Minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 30 Minutes Fantasy, the Samurai Troopers line. We have the Kaito of the Sky, and that was what's inside the box. And this is Mr. Was saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing another video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.